Sa video na ito, ipapakita ko kung paano gamitin ang ating bagong loan calculator web app. Design ito para maging mabilis, accurate at mobile friendly, kaya pwedeng gamitin sa cellphone habang kausap si client. So, first is i-open natin ang ating loan calculator. So, ito ang ating loan calculator. Una, ilagay natin ang principal amount o ang amount na gustong utangin ni client. So, for example, 50,000. And then next is the payment period or months. Then, let's say 2 months. And then the monthly interest rate, so let's say 4%. And then the payment type, dito natin isi-set kung daily, weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly ang gustong bayad ni client. So, let's say daily. So, dito is automatic na magkakalculate ang total interest, total loan amount, total daily payments. So, say, ang interest ng 50,000 for 2 months is ito, 4,000. And then, the total loan amount is become 54,000. The total loan amount is the principal plus the total interest. So, total daily payments is 60 days in 2 months. So, the delay amortization is 900. So, paano naman kung gustong magbayad ni client ng weekly? So, napakadali lang. Just change the payment type into weekly. Yan. So, dito automatic na mag-change ang weekly to weekly amortization. So, how about naman kung gustong magbayad ng 3 months? So, madali lang. Lagay lang natin dito, piliin. And then, automatic na magkukompute ang ating loan calculator ng total interest, total loan amount, at ang weekly amortization. Ayan, napakadali. So, same interest pa rin. Pero ngayon, weekly payment na yung pinili natin. Kung semi-monthly naman, piliin lang. Ayan, magpapalit naman yan. So, the interest computation is based on months, even if the borrower pays daily, weekly, monthly, or semi-monthly. The principal amount is the total interest plus the principal. Dito, the total loan amount. So, ganun lang kadali. Walang manual calculator. It was human error.